Hey, here's a quick update. It's Memorial Day weekend, it's Saturday, and I built this bench early today. I just did the final touches to it on the back. I shaved the lip off the back because there was overhang, of course, and my daughter came out and helped me. Now, I got another piece of plywood coming next week for the shelf, so I'm going to build the shelf for above it, so it's not all finished yet, but we had the frame in the top, with 4 nails on the top and the corners by, before 12 noon today. We were done like by 10:30, 11 o'clock. It was cold this morning, so I started about 8 o'clock, and it didn't take that long. We had this thing together pretty quick and all the lumber cuts. So anyway, making progress. Just kind of wanted to give a quick update for the weekend, so I got a head start on this. I thought I wouldn't have this part done until the end of next week, but anyway, I got it going, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to order a big roll of black rubber to roll across the top of this thing for my work surface. I'm not going to work on this sanded plywood. I'm going to, put the black. So if I can, I'm hoping I can find something that's somewhat, anti-static. That would help, because I'm going to, because of course I'm going to have some solid state on the bench from time to time too, not just vacuum tube stuff. So, but that's all for now. I just kind of want to give an update here on the bench is already built, except for, at least the bottom part of it is, so except for the, the top shelf part. So I'm debating on whether, I'm thinking about getting one more sheet of this plywood and putting it, across the bottom down there. I am going to take, I've got, I cut those legs off, those short fence post legs that I found. And, of course, they were the non-twirl. I think they were pressure treated, but they weren't chemical treated. I'm just going to put, there's a couple pieces. I'm going to put like one just from like flush with here down the ground and on the back side. Because if I put that piece of plywood, it's because I can store a lot of stuff under this bench. I don't want to put it on the ground. I want something I can just slide it out if I need to. Slide the boxes out and make it easy. So I may just do that. So anyway, that's all for now. I just had to kind of give an update on that. But plus, when I'm sitting here, I'm going to get like a bench or like a stool or one of those chairs that can raise up and down. And this is going to be probably a footrest here, and I need like a support to ground in the middle part of it. So that would be the other reason to do it. So that's all for now. Just a quick update. This is W5HRO on the My New Shack series, and this is what, part 2.